Hello, my loves. Today is a day of self-care, and my favorite way to pamper myself is to take a nice relaxing shower and deep condition my hair. To see one of my favorite self-care routines, keep on watching. To cleanse my hair and scalp, I'm using Uncle Funky's Daughter Rich and Funky. And this is a moisturizing cleanser. It's sulfate free, but as you can see, it lathers really nicely. It also doesn't strip my hair of its moisture, so I don't even follow up with a conditioner. I just skip to the next step in my routine, which is to deep condition. And today I'm using Uncle Funky's Daughter Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. And this is definitely one of my favorite hair masks. It contains silk protein, so it keeps a nice protein moisture balance in my hair. And whenever my hair needs that extra boost of protein, I always reach for this product. I like to wear a heat cap when I deep condition because it helps the product penetrate my hair much better. Next, I'm applying Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream as my leave-in, and a little goes a long way, so I'm just applying a small amount. For my styler, I'm using Curly Magic. And this product right here is everything. It's an aloe-based curl enhancing gel, and it makes my hair super bouncy and shiny. To speed up the drying process, I like to diffuse my hair on the medium to low setting. And once my hair is completely dry, I like to use my metal pick to fluff my hair and get that extra volume. Just be sure to fluff at the roots so you don't create any unwanted frizz. And this is the final result. My curls feel moisturized, soft, and bouncy. After my self-care routine, I always feel refreshed and ready to take on anything. Don't forget to like this video, and thank you so much for watching.